here at Silver Spring Farm on a gorgeous day. We're surrounded by our Carpentry Program students who have installed all of these incredible structures for Silver Spring Studios. Silver Spring Studio works with adults with exceptionalities, so they gave us a challenge to develop an outdoor space that's accessible and will give opportunities to the residents of their program to contribute back to the program by growing food, produce for their cooking programs, and items that can be sold so that their programs continue to be funded. What's fantastic about the Ottawa Catholic School Board is our commitment to Catholic values and giving back to the community. So whenever we're developing projects or opportunities, it's always with a lens on how will this benefit the student and the community.
Thank you very much for really adopting us and taking us under your wing. The teachers, principals, all your staff have been nothing but amazing to work with, and so thank you very much.
It was really fun because I learned that I can make a real difference by just building things, and it just felt good to give back.
They've received a lot in the Elite Skilled Trades Academy in terms of certifications and trainings, and they're using it for the greater good of our community, which warms all of our hearts. So very happy to be here today.